Hello, I'm going to try to talk to you a little bit about relays and reversing a motor. Now this is a fairly simple little deal as long as you have two 5-pin relays. You don't really need the fuses or breakers. This little connector had the room and it was already wired. Might as well use it, a little extra protection. So I have here a simple little hand-drawn schematic of what I'm trying to talk about today. Now I don't know if you'll be able to make out much of that, but what we need are two 5-pin relays of any type, as long as you've got the correct voltage for your battery power and your motor. So what you'll need is a DC motor, a couple little switches, or a single switch that will throw both directions, as long as it has an off in the middle. Now you wire in your relays. You do not want power in on pin 30. Won't work. What you want to do is take the pin 30 from each of these relays and run it up here to your motor, one on each wire. Then on your power, what you will need is from your power pack up to pin 87 of both relays. Then you take your negative, go from it up to your pin 85, your signal, on both of them, and to pin 87A, again on both of them. Now, also you will need a power coming either from the battery pack or from pin 87 over to your switch or switches to your pin 86 on your relays. Now what will this do? Here we have a simple little motor and a couple of little switches and a power pack, one that I have added a 12-volt out here so I can put my barrel plug into it to get 12 volts, as well as the 3, 6, and 9 volt that was already in this particular power pack. So turn the thing on, you can see I've got a good power supply. So now let's turn this one on. You can see it spinning. Probably can't tell which way it's going. Let's hit the other one. And again, it's spinning, but which way is it actually going? There you go. Now you can see which way my finger is in regards to the tape. Now I'll get the other one. And you can see it's coming the opposite direction. Simple, easy, reversible motor that you can use for pretty much any project that you may need a good reversible motor for. Just a couple of relays, a couple of switches, or again, as I was stating, a single switch that you can throw one way, then the other to make it turn clockwise, then counterclockwise. Real simple little project, but remember, you cannot use these little 4-pin relays because you don't have pin 87A, which is your ground. Now in this, what you're actually doing is you are sending ground to both of your motor connections. Right now, if I took a multimeter and hooked up to either one of these and to the ground of my power pack, I would have straight continuity. As soon as I hit one of the switches and energize one of my relays, I will then have power coming in either here or here, depending on which of these I push, and that causes the motor to spin one way or the other. Now, what happens if I push both of these at the same time? Let's find out, shall we? What's going on is whichever one of these relays actually actuates first will cause this motor to spin a little bit. And then when the other one kicks in, now you're actually sending power to both of these. Power and power doesn't work. You've got to have power and ground. Just like when I had, right now, when I'm not pushing either one of them, I have ground to both of them. Ground and ground doesn't work. You must have power and ground or ground and power. Only way to make these things actually spin. Now, this is a simple little small 12-volt electric motor. Will it work on something less? Let's find out. Let's put it up here in the 9-volt and hit one of these. Will the relay even energize? Let's find out, shall we? Seems to be working. All right, let's try the 6-volt. Much slower, but that's half the voltage that it should be running on. I have one more here, that's the 3-volt. Let's give that a try and see if it will even energize our relays. Nope, not enough power. Probably won't even run the motor. We can take one of these wires and run it to the power. Nope, it don't even try. So 3 volts on a 12-volt system won't work. But 6 or 9 will cause the relays to energize and the motor to actually spin. So you could actually turn this one down by dropping the voltage some. Anyway, whether you want to use this for working a winch or maybe some kind of a little motor to spin some kind of mechanical contrivance one way than the other, here's your simple little schematic with your how-to. And again, like I said, this is just a simple, excuse me, simple little hand-drawn schematic. Hopefully you can see that and have a better idea as to how to wire in these relays. Till next time, good luck, and hopefully you can make a few projects like this for yourself to do whatever. If you do, leave me a comment in the comments and let me know what you made. Maybe even send me a video. So till next time, good luck, good day.